Let's discuss another type of inefficiency, volume imbalance. It's not the kind we are used to, the one made up of 3 candles. Here there will already be a gap between the candles, specifically between 2 candle bodies. Even if the wicks sort of balance this range, this gap will still be factored in by the algorithm and accordingly act as a magnet for price. Just like all other inefficiencies, because price always moves either from liquidity to liquidity, but if it's not currently heading toward any liquidity, then it's moving toward inefficiency. And as we can see in the example, the price returns to the volume imbalance, fills it up to the upper boundary, gets a reaction from it, and then moves away, which is exactly what we need to observe. Let's switch back to Nasdaq futures, now on the 1-minute chart. I am intentionally showing you all this on different timeframes to demonstrate that it works everywhere, down to the second-based charts. You can find all these patterns. So now, let's take a look at all this on the 1-minute chart. Many people think that the 1-minute chart is just noise and that it's impossible to find trading setups there, but that's not the case. We have an upward move. And here, the first bearish imbalance started appearing. Price respected them, reacting at the upper boundary. If the candle bodies don't break above that boundary, that's also a sign of respect. Next, we see a shift. The market expanded, meaning a range extension occurred. This isn't a sweep, but specifically a range expansion. Another imbalance formed and price returned to it. But what else happened here? We had a bullish fair value gap, but now as we can see it has inverted. How did that happen? Price fully swept through it, then re-entered, and now it acts as a bearish structure for us. Let's focus on this specific segment. So, this was a bullish imbalance, and here we expected a bullish reaction. We even got a bounce from the 0.5 level, but price had other plans. It completely swept through it, then retested it, and this time we get a reaction from it as resistance before price dropped away. This new understanding allows us to use imbalances even when they don't provide the expected reaction. If we anticipated absorption here, but the price swept through it, that tells us that the delivery of the price has shifted. Now the path of least resistance is down. The respect of all these imbalances further confirms that. And what else happened here? There was also a minute-sized imbalance and fair value gap, a bullish BC. But right here, an identical imbalance formed, only on the sell side. This is what we've been analyzing, a BPR, balanced price range. Price swept through it and left a brick wall here. The next time price retested this zone, you can clearly see the reaction. A single full-bodied massive candle. A strong rejection precisely from this range. This isn't just some random zone. Even on the 1-minute chart, we can observe that candle bodies don't breach the 0.5 level. Only wicks protrude beyond its boundary, which is acceptable, but the bodies remain contained. Then, after several minutes of respecting this BPR, price makes one final touch and instantly plunges downward. So by understanding all these factors, you can build a complete trading system and strategy just by focusing on the principles of respecting significant levels. There was also a mitigation here that I didn't mark to keep the chart clean, but yes, that was a mitigation. These 2 candles. Price then retested the mitigation zone and immediately reversed downward. Again, this remains a mitigation because we didn't break this high. If price had taken out this high and then reversed, it would have become a breaker instead. Since you stuck around until the end, I've got a special bonus for you. 3 trading strategies I've relied on for years, all with a proven edge. Chances are you've never come across these before, so I highly recommend testing them out, at least on a demo account. You will find the PDF with detailed instructions linked in the description below. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop a like on this video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.